Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who watch frequently, for those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm co-founder and CEO of ConversionWise, one of Europe's largest landing page design and conversion rate optimization agencies. For context, I've been doing this for 12 years, and this is episode number 898 of Optimization by Oliver. In this specific series, what we do is we pick brands that we'd love to work with, that we don't have any connection with, just brands that we love, who are out there on the internet, who we absolutely love and admire, and we show you what we would do purely from a heuristic. We have no access to data at this standpoint if we were to optimize some of the key pages on their store. And this is a brand called Billy. And we've picked 3 pages. We're going to start with the home page. We're going to go on to the checkout and then the all-important PDP. So stick around to the end of the video because the PDP is a big transformation. Right, as you can see on the home page, we've completely redesigned this page based on conversion design principles, persuasive principles that turn more clicks into customers. Now, yes, in the previous design, they're running a summer promo. I don't discourage this. If you are running promos, the homepage hero section is the best page to do this. However, if you're not running constant promos, just get your point across, get your benefits and the value proposition across, because this is what's going to push people further down the funnel to your collection pages and therefore to your PDP and purchasing the product. In our redesign, we have this nice notice bar. We have social proof, which they're seriously lacking on the previous design. Even if you are doing these kind of promo slides above the fold on your homepage, always have social proof, always tick trust and credibility. Like, these are basics in conversion principles and will get more people to purchase. We have this nice clear headline that says exactly what the product is and how it benefits you, with a sub headline, and then anchored or supported by these really detailed benefit driven bullet points with clear tick boxes. It's aesthetically pleasing, it's easy to read on mobile, and it just completely transforms that value proposition. We then have a clear call to action. Notice how our font is bigger, it's bolder, it tells people exactly what they're doing on click, and it has that directional cue, a little arrow that nudges people in the way of the collection page. We then showcase a nice visual snapshot of the products. Now onto the cart drawer, cart slider, whatever you want to call it, some subtle updates, but ones which I actually think will really help push people further down the funnel. We've taken their whole concept of free shipping one step further. If you can do this, especially if you're a lower ticket item with multiple SKUs on your store, it's a great opportunity to get rid of remnant stock. Add a free gift. Make people feel like they're gamified within that cart. They want to take the upsell because they want to unlock the free gift, and that's what we've done here. We have a bit of a nicer display, in my opinion, and then we have this all-important pinned proceed to checkout, backing it up with some trust and social proof. Now the PDP, very simple changes here, but again, things I think will have huge effect. Try and stay away from big paragraphs of text, conflicting CTAs, small pixel text, and just not making your page really seamless and easy for a customer to go through. And in my opinion, this is probably their most underperforming page on their store. We've optimized above the fold. We have the thumbnails now underneath that hero image, and this just allows people to visualize and conceptualize that there are more images. Before, they had these tiny little radio dots that are overlaid on the image itself, which just don't get clicked. It's a well-known fact that more people scroll through your images, the more likely they are to buy your product. So take people through the images. We then have the all-important social proof that was seriously lacking on the before design. We then have benefit-driven bullet points. Instead of this horrible, big, ugly paragraph of small font text below the call to action before you've even pre-sold people, we actually get that value perception in higher up above the fold, and more people are therefore likely to want to add to cart. Speaking of add to cart, these guys have this horrible drop down that conflicts the add to cart. It looks like a button. The amount of false clicks people are going to get on that button, if you have a heat map, is going to be disgusting. Instead, we've changed it into very simple radio dots. You select your frequency, you then add to cart, and we've reminded people of the guarantee underneath the CTA. Guys, If this is something that impresses you, if this is something that you want us to do for your brand, you know what to do. There's a link below in the description. We've been doing it for 12 years. Also, let me know what you think of this transformation. And please, 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 if you're not already, hit the subscribe button. It just really encourages me to get into the studio, to get the team to do these before and afters, and to create more free content from you. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.